start the day yet.
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. Today is my day 27. Woo! Amazing. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Joy. You are welcome. I have been on this journey for the past 26 days. Okay, so today is 27th day of my workout weight loss challenge. It has not been easy. Oh my god, the only thing that keeps me going is the joy and the fun I'm having in it. If not, I will not be able to do this sincerely because I am lazy when it comes to exercise, workouts, all those stuff. Oh my god, but I am having fun because I feel great inside. Amazing. So guys, if you would like to see more of my workout videos, consider to subscribe, okay? And turn on the bell for notifications so that you will be notified anytime I upload new videos. I am actually a mother of 4 kids and I don't like how I look because I want to look slim, okay? If I can do this, you can. Okay, so guys, without much time, let's get into the video. Yay!
Alright. To start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. I'm burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by and take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and locking the door. What's one morning laying up? It's sleeping on a Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world turn to Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call? start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. Burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by and take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and locking the door. What's one morning laying
Off of this day.
on a
See
Sunday?
my next one. Bye.
Just waiting on. Yeah. Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late.